Welcome back to Everyday English and Beyond. Today we're going to explore a revolutionary concept, learning English the lazy way. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really possible to learn English without burning out? The answer is yes, and I'm here to show you how. In this journey, we're going to break down effortless ways to master English. From passive learning techniques to minimal effort strategies, you'll discover that learning a language doesn't have to be stressful or time-consuming. So get comfortable, grab your favorite drink, and let's dive into the art of lazy learning. Watching TV shows and movies. Learn without trying. Simply watch your favorite series with English subtitles. Pay attention to dialogues and expressions. Listening to music and podcasts. Play English music or podcasts while doing daily activities, cooking, exercising, or commuting. Audiobooks and storytelling. Dive into English stories during relaxation time. Let your brain absorb the language naturally. Lazy practice. Create a playlist of English podcasts and songs. Play it in the background during your routine. Watch one episode of an English show every day, even if it's just for 20 minutes. Flashcard apps, spaced repetition systems. Just 5 minutes a day with apps like Anki or Memrise. Sticky notes around the house. Label items in English. Fridge, mirror, door, to unconsciously build vocabulary. Visual learning, Pinterest and Instagram. Follow English learning pages for daily visual exposure. Lazy practice. Set your phone wallpaper to an English vocabulary word of the day. Stick one new word on your bathroom mirror each morning. Voice chat applications. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem allow you to practice speaking without the pressure of face-to-face interaction. Talking to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or even the weather. No one is listening, so relax. Lazy dialogues. Shadow simple dialogues from YouTube videos or language apps. Lazy practice. Spend 5 minutes each morning narrating your routine in English. Send one voice message a day to an English-speaking friend or language partner. Graded readers and short stories. Books designed for English learners with simple vocabulary. Comics and graphic novels. Visual storytelling makes understanding easier. Social media in English. Follow English-speaking influencers and read their captions daily. Lazy practice. Spend 10 minutes before bed reading short English posts or simple stories. Follow at least 3 English-speaking creators on Instagram or Twitter. Grammar through. Listening. Instead of drilling grammar exercises, listen to podcasts and watch videos that naturally use grammar correctly. Grammar in context. Learn grammar by seeing it used in sentences instead of isolated drills. Minimal effort exercises. Try short, 5-minute exercises that target specific grammar points. Lazy practice. Listen to English news or podcasts and write down sentences that catch your attention. Pick one grammar point a week and casually notice it in everything you hear or read. Mimicking native speakers. Listen and repeat phrases you hear in movies, series, or YouTube videos. Shadowing technique. Play a clip of natural conversation and try to mimic the rhythm and intonation. Focus on sounds, not words. Pay attention to the sounds and how they blend together. Lazy practice. Spend 5 minutes a day shadowing short dialogues from TV shows. Record yourself and compare it to the native speaker. Lazy conversations. Start simple, low-pressure chats with friends or language partners. Practice through texting. Messaging friends in English is a great way to practice writing and vocabulary. Using apps for real conversations. Apps like Speaky and Tandem make it easy to connect with English speakers. Lazy practice. Send voice notes instead of text messages in English. Practice small talk with neighbors or colleagues casually. Podcasts and audiobooks. While relaxing. Listen while you're resting, working out, or even falling asleep. YouTube playlists for background listening. Keep English playing in the background throughout your day. Lazy practice. Listen to English before bed to let your brain absorb the language naturally. Have English media playing while doing household chores. Small but consistent. Make English a natural part of your daily routine. Micro-learning sessions. 5 to 10-minute segments spread throughout the day. Reflect and adjust. Weekly check-ins to see what worked best. Lazy practice. Set alarms for micro-learning breaks during the day. Track your progress in a casual, non-stressful way. Congratulations! You've completed the journey of mastering English the lazy way. Remember, learning doesn't have to be exhausting. Small, consistent, and relaxed steps are the keys to success. Happy learning, and see you in the next episode of Everyday English and Beyond.